Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban GrowPro. Today in this video I will show you how to plant a cowpea seeds for growing it organically. We have prepared our land for growing it organically you can see that I have prepared the raised beds, and before preparing the raised bed I have added 2 kg of the cow dung manure and half kg of the compost for every square meter of the area. Then with a good cultivation, after cultivation we have raised this bed for the sowing. In this bed we have fit 2 drip lines 1.5 feet apart. So we will be having 2 lines of the cowpea at every 1.5 feet. My bed to bed distance here is around 4 feet. So we will have roughly 4 feet area for 2 lines. I have set this machine to put seed every 6 inch in this seeder. So overall in a square meter of area we will have roughly 8 to 9 plants. Here is the cowpea seeds, which is the improved variety of the cowpea seeds, and we have treated these seeds with the help of trichoderma with the sticking agent. So trichoderma will protect the seeds against the soil-borne fungus diseases. Now for sowing the seeds in this line, we will simply take some seeds and fill this in the box. Like this, and we will run this machine alongside of the drip. So this machine will put 1 seed at every 6 inch distance, and we will make the 2 rows. I will update you after a few days how the seed has germinated and how this distance has been maintained and what care we should take further to grow cowpea in a bulk. But for now we will be just completing our sowing with the help of this machine.